Let us see today, students, about another concept, solution of a quadratic equation. Okay. So, solution of a quadratic equation is a real number alpha is said to be a root. Root means solution. Okay. Of the equation ax square plus bx plus c if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. What is the meaning? Our equation, in our equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, our variable is x. So alpha is said to be root or a solution, means you have to substitute wherever x is there in the equation, substitute by alpha and it turns out to be 0. That is a alpha square plus beta alpha plus c is equal to 0. I will explain you the meaning of this definition using one example. See here. This is a quadratic equation. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. By splitting the middle term, and we are getting x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3 by 2. Now, it is a quadratic equation. We have studied in second lesson. A quadratic polynomial will be having how many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, so here we are getting here 2 zeros or 2 solutions or roots, you can say. Now, whether x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3 by 2, when we substitute in this, it turns out to be 0. Let us check. Okay. Now, left hand side. Okay, left hand side is 2x square plus x minus 6 is minus 6. We will put x is equal to minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 whole square, x is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 square is 4, minus 2 minus 6. So 2 4 side minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0, which is right hand side. So when we say x is equal to minus 2 is a solution, means if you put if you substitute minus x by minus 2, the entire equation should become 0. Okay, the left hand side should be 0 and right hand side is already 0. Let us see. So you can say x is equal to minus 2 is a solution. Now it is a quadratic equation, it should have 2 zeros or 2 solutions or 2 roots. Let us see another one. X is equal to 3 by 2. Again, left hand side is 2x square plus x minus 6. So x is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 6. So 2. 9 by 4. 3 by 2 minus 6. 2 2s are. So 9 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 6. So 9 by 2. 3 by 2. Now here denominator is 1. So we will make it 2. So this will become 9 plus 3 minus 12 upon 2. So 12 minus 12 upon 2. So that is 0 upon 2 and that is 0. So you can say x is equal to 3 by 2 is also a solution of the given quadratic equation. I have taken this example for you to understand what we are doing. In definition I said if alpha is a root, means what? Wherever x is there I will write alpha, substitute and it should come 0. It is theoretical part, so I have taken an example for you to understand. Hope you have understood the meaning of solution of the quadratic equation. This is one method, by splitting the middle term. There are 2 more methods to find the solution of a quadratic equation. Now based on this we will see our exercise 4.2. Hope you have understood the meaning of solution of a quadratic equation. Let us see exercise 4.2, students. Question first. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. You have to factorize whatever method you have studied in 9th standard or whatever you know. Okay, how to factor. Now this by splitting the middle term. Okay, let us see. Okay, so 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. This is of work. Okay, and here is minus 3. So find two numbers whose product is minus 10 and sum is minus 3. So you can do this orally. Minus 5 into 2 and minus 5 plus 2. Whenever the coefficient of x square is 1, you can do it orally. So x minus 5. So or I will write, you can do orally x minus 5 into x plus 2. Coefficient is 1, that time you can do it orally. So therefore, x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. So what are the roots? So the roots of the given quadratic equations are 5 and minus 2. I have done here by factor splitting the middle term. Okay, he has whenever coefficient is 1, you can do minus 5 plus 2 is minus, and splitting the middle term. Focus on this. So you will get x minus 5 and x plus 2. So I have written directly x minus 5 into x plus 2. Let us see second sum. Here you cannot do orally because coefficient of x square is 2. Other than 1, we cannot do orally. Okay, some of you may master this and you can do orally also. That is a different part. Let us see. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12 and plus 1. So find 1. Find two numbers whose product is 12. Minus 12 and sum is plus 1. So 4 into minus 3 and 4 minus 3. So how we will write this? So we can write this as 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Make a pair of 2. Okay, take this in bracket. 2x square plus 4x. Here minus is there. And then we are going to get bracket. Take this in bracket. So minus, then this minus will become plus. Okay. Now, what is common? 2x. X plus 2. 3. X plus 2. Okay. So therefore, once you are getting here x plus 2, here you should get x plus 2. Okay. So x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So the roots are of the given quadratic equation are minus 2 and 3 by 2. So we have seen here two sums. Okay, by which method? Factorization method. Okay, splitting the middle term. Let us see some more examples based on this. Hope you have understood this. Let us see, students, two more sub questions of main question number 1, exercise 4.2, third one and fourth one we will see. Okay, root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. Now here what to do? Root 2 coefficient is not 1, so we cannot do this orally. So root 2 into this. So 5 into root 2 into root 2. So that will be root 2 into root 2 is 2 and 2 y is 10. So find two numbers, okay, whose product is 10 and whose sum is 7. Middle term is 7, so splitting the middle term. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2. Okay, fine. So this will be root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now, if you take here what is common? Here x is common, then inside you will have root 2x plus 5. Here we cannot say anything, so you have to write such that you should have common root 2x plus 5 this side. So let us see how to do this. Take this in bracket. Root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now, what is common here? X is common. Okay, fine. Root 2 x plus 5. Here, you cannot say that you will get here root 2x plus 5 common. So, you have to arrange 2 in such a, write 2 in such a manner, root 2 into root 2. Let us write. So, root 2 into root 2 into x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now, here it is already there. Now, what is common? Root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2 is common. So, root 2, so inside bracket root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Yes, so root 2x plus root 5, root 2x plus 5. Very good. So therefore, root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, these are the factors of this. Now you want to find the roots. So root 2 into x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus root 2. X is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Okay. Therefore, the roots are minus 5 upon root 2 or minus 5 upon root 2 or not or, and we will have and minus root 2. Okay, and minus root 2. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation. Try to solve this fourth one, 2x square minus x plus 1 upon it. Now, whenever there is a such type of fraction is there, you try to eliminate डिनोमिनेटर निकालने की कोशिश करो. मुझे 8 निकालना है, तो सब टर्म्स को मैं 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँगा. सो 8 इंटू 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 8 इंटू एक्स प्लस 8 इंटू 1 अपॉन 8 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो 16x स्क्वायर माइनस 8x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो 8th स्टैंडर्ड में आप पढ़े थे, the first term is a perfect square, last term is also perfect square. So here it is a square of what? 4x. It is a square of what? 1. So you have to use here a minus b whole square. So 2ab. So 2 into 4, 8 into 1. Yes. So it is 2x minus 1. This is a mental work. छोड़ दीजिए, हम अपने splitting the middle term से ही करेंगे. 16 into plus 1 is 16 and minus 8. So find two numbers whose product is plus 16 and sum is minus 8. So they are minus 4 into minus 4 and minus 4 plus minus 4. So 16x square minus 4x plus 1. दो की जोड़ी 16x square minus 4x minus, यहाँ ब्रैकेट होगी, this plus will become minus. So what is common? 4x. So 4x minus 1. Already 4x minus 1 है, तो क्या लिखेंगे common? 1. So 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is 1 by 4. X is 1 by 4. Therefore the roots, how are the roots? The roots are repeated. Two roots can be same, have the same value, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. So the roots are 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Hope you have understood these two examples. Okay, after this we will see question number 2. Hello students, let us see question number 2 of exercise 4.2. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles in the beginning of the game. Then at the end of the game, from the data I am saying, they lost 5 marbles each. And the product of the marbles at the end of the game, or the marbles left with them, is 124. So in the beginning, how many marbles each of them has, we have to find out. Okay, so let us see. Let John has X marbles in the beginning. Therefore, number of marbles with Jivanti. So total is 45. So number of marbles with Jivanti will be 45 minus X. Okay. Then. Okay. Now. At the end of the game, number of marbles with John. So John started with X, so he lost 5 at the end, so X minus 5, he is left with X minus 5 marbles. And number of marbles with Jivanti. So she started with 45 minus X. So 45 minus X minus 5, she lost 5, so 40 minus X. So she is left with 40 minus X. Now, according to question, according to the condition given, at the end, the product of the marbles which they are left with is 124. So multiply this. Okay. So 40x minus x square minus 200 plus 5x is equal to 124 minus x square plus 40x plus 5x. So therefore minus x square minus 324 is equal to 0. We will turn this minus to plus, then all signs will change. Okay, so x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. So we got here a quadratic equation from the data. Now factorize by splitting the middle term. Okay, 324 and 45. So if you will do the rough work, okay, let us do rough work. Factors of 324. Let us see. Okay, 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 1s are 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So if you multiply this, you are going to get 324. But we want two numbers whose product is plus 24 and whose sum is minus 45. So let us take this. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 36, and 9 is 45. Okay, so therefore x square minus 9x minus 36x plus 324 is equal to 0. Take this in bracket, two terms here minus, so this plus will become minus. 324 is equal to 0. So x common, x minus 9, 36, x minus 9. So therefore, x minus 9 into x minus 36 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 36 is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 36. Okay, this is our rough. Now let us see here. Okay, what is the meaning? So what we have considered? Let John has x marbles in the beginning. So number of marbles with G1T is 45 minus x. So if we consider John has 9 marbles, then what you can say? G1T will be having 45 minus 9, so 36 marbles. And if you consider John has 36 marbles, then 45 minus x, that is 36, will be 9. So both the numbers are x is 9 and x is 36, both are valid. So answer you can write. Answer is, you can write only in numbers 9 comma 36, or you can express in words in details. Okay, so answer is, I will write 9 comma 36. Okay, this way, or okay, or you can have this way. Let us see. If John has 9 marbles in the beginning, then G1T has 45 minus 9, 36 marbles in the beginning. Okay, or if John has 36 marbles, then G1T has 45 minus 36, 9 marbles in the beginning. Okay. Hope you have understood this word problem. Okay. Students, let us see second sub question of main question 2, exercise 4.2. A cottage industry produces certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. Cost of production of each toy. Okay, एक खिलौना बनाने का जो खर्चा आता है, उस दिन जितने खिलौने बने वो 55 में से माइनस करना है नंबर ऑफ खिलौने. ओके, वो जो आंसर आएगा वो होगा कॉस्ट ऑफ वन टॉय, ईच टॉय. ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डे द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन वाज ₹750. किसी रोज कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन वाज 750. वी वुड लाइक टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ टॉयज प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन दैट डे. उस दिन का फाइंड आउट द नंबर, कितने खिलौने कंपनी ने बनाए, कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री ने बनाए, वो आपको ढूंढना है. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री खिलौने बनाने वाली एक छोटी सी कंपनी है. इट प्रोड्यूसेस सर्टन नंबर ऑफ, कुछ खिलौने बनाती है. कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, खिलौने, एक खिलौने का जो खिलौने की जो कीमत है वो है 55 माइनस द नंबर ऑफ टॉयज प्रोड्यूस्ड दैट डे. सो 55 माइनस एक्स. किसी रोज़ कंपनी ने एक्स खिलौने बनाए, तो एक खिलौने की कीमत होगी 55 माइनस एक्स एज पर द डेटा। किसी रोज तो टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन हो गई 750। वी वुड लाइक टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ टॉयज प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन दैट डे। ओके, किसी रोज कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन हो गया 750। ओके, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? एक खिलौने की कीमत मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एक खिलौने की कीमत मल्टीप्लाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ toys produced that day, that is the total cost of production of that day. Hope you have understood the data question. Let us see. So how we will solve this? Let the number of toys produced on that particular day is X. Okay, so therefore cost of one toy is equal to rupees 55 minus x. This is given from data you can write. Okay, यहाँ से मिला, डेटा से मिला। आगे now according to question, according to the condition given, what is given? On a particular day the total cost of production was 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced in that day. So cost, number of toys is x multiplied by cost of one toy is 55 minus x. Okay, and that is total cost is 750. So multiply this 55x minus x square is equal to 750. So therefore minus x square plus 55x, x 750 this side minus 750 is equal to 0. We don't want this first term negative, make it positive, so all signs will change. Okay, what is the meaning? All sign will change मतलब क्या होता है? हम इसको we know if you multiply any number by 1 it remains same. So I am multiplying here by minus 1. So minus into minus is plus x square plus 55 into minus 1 is minus 55 minus 750 into minus 1 is plus. Okay, that is the meaning. So x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. So we got here quadratic equation. Split. Now so far you know one method, that is by splitting the middle term. Find out. So 1 into 750. Find out two numbers whose product is 750 and whose sum is minus 55. Okay. So let us use rough work. 750 के factors निकालो. 75 times 25 3s are 70. 25 3s are and 5 2s are. Okay. सो हमें 55 चाहिए और क्या करोगे? 5 5 का 25, ये 5 साथ में नहीं गए, ये 2 और ये 3. ओके, सो 5 5 are 25, 5 2 are 10, 10 3 are 30. Yes, so we got 25 into 30. So 25 plus 30 will be 55. Okay, so we got two numbers, minus 25 into minus 30 and minus 25 plus minus 30. Okay, so x square, and you know you can do this orally as coefficient is 1. So the factors of these are x minus 25 and x minus 30. Okay, we will solve this word. Minus 25x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0. Here minus ब्रैकेट गिरेगी, प्लस का माइनस बनेगा. x minus 25, 30. X minus 25. We have seen the rough for 25, 30 is 750. Okay. So x minus 25 into x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 25 is 0 or x minus 30 is 0. So, therefore, x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 30. Okay. Yes. So, your answer. We would like to find out the number of toys produced in that day. तो उस दिन जिस दिन कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन was 750, अगर आप मानेंगे नंबर ऑफ टॉयज अगर किलो ने 25 बने, सो कॉस्ट ऑफ वन टॉय विल बी 55 माइनस 25, दैट इज 30. और अगर आप किलो ने 30 बने तो कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वन टॉय विल बी 55 माइनस 30, तो 25. सो वाइस वर्सा. ओके. सो आंसर इज the number of toys. So answer is number of toys 25, 30. Okay, this is your answer. Hope you have understood this sum. Students, let us see third question of 4.2. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay, whose sum is 27. दो numbers है. Let the two numbers be A plus B. A is one number, B is other number, and their sum is 27. Okay, चलो A की तो हम A और B नहीं यूज कर सकते. A और B मतलब ये दो अलग अलग वेरिएबल्स हो गए. यहाँ हमको प्रोडक्ट की बात करें मतलब सिंगल वेरिएबल हो गया. So let one number be X, the other number will be, अगर ये हमने x पकड़ा तो दूसरा नंबर हमारा आएगा 27 माइनस एक्स और इसका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो है 182. लेट अस सी. ओके, सॉल्यूशन. लेट is equal to x. Therefore, what is other number? दो नंबर का टोटल 27 है. So 27 माइनस एक्स, एक नंबर x है तो दूसरे की वैल्यू 27 माइनस एक्स. Now, according to question, and the product is 182. So x into 27 minus x is 182. So minus x square plus 27x, take 182 this side, minus 182 is equal to 0. So therefore x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. We got your quadratic equation. Now factorize this by splitting the middle term. So 1 into plus 182 is plus 182 and minus 27 middle term. So we want two numbers whose product is 182 and whose sum is minus 27. So let us factorize 182. Okay, first of all, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 13 7s are and 7 1s are. So you got it. 2 and 7, multiply this. So 7 2s are 14. Okay, so 14 and 13 is 27 and 182. So definitely we got it. So minus 14 and minus 13. Okay, so therefore x square minus 14x minus 13x, minus 14 minus 13 is minus 27 and their product will be plus 182. Plus 182. Okay, so x square minus 14x, यहाँ माइनस है, ब्रैकेट गिरेगी, प्लस विल बिकम माइनस. Okay, so x common, x minus 14, 13, x minus 14. So therefore x minus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. is equal to 14 और x is equal to 13, तो आपके जो दो नंबर्स है वो है 13 एंड 14। अगर एक नंबर 13 पकड़ोगे तो 27 माइनस 13 विल बी 14, अगर आप 14 पकड़ोगे तो 27 माइनस 14 विल बी 13। ओके, सो रिक्वायर्ड टू नंबर्स आर, सो आंसर the required two numbers are 13 comma 14, or you can write 14 comma 13, vice versa. Okay, yes, hope you have understood this. Students, let us see question 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Okay, let us see. Consecutive, एक के बाद एक आने वाले. Let the two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1 respectively. Okay, what is the condition? Sum of whose squares is 365. so इसका स्क्वायर दोनों को ऐड करो तो 365. This is the condition given. Let us see now. According to question, first number square, second, it is 365. Expand this, simplify. X square a plus b whole square, so it is x square plus 2x plus 1, 365. So this is x square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. So therefore 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is minus 364. Divide it. Each term is divisible by 2, so divide by 2. So we are going to get this x square plus x minus 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. So this is the required quadratic equation. Now, just now earlier in question number 3 we have seen find the two numbers whose product is 182 and sum is minus 27. So here find two number whose product is minus 182 and sum is plus 1, so plus 14 and minus 13. Okay, so therefore x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is 0. Here minus ब्रैकेट आएगी तो माइनस का बनेगा प्लस. ओके, सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 14x को अपन निकालेंगे इसमें, इसके छोड़ दीजिए. लेट अस सी x कॉमन, सो x प्लस 14 13, सो x प्लस 14, so therefore x plus 14 and second bracket x minus 13 are the factors of x square plus x minus 182. So therefore x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 14. Okay, this is invalid. Okay, invalid. Why? Because we are talking about positive integers. Okay, and therefore here x is equal to 13 is valid. Okay, No. So what is the answer? Answer is okay. So let the two positive integers be x and x plus 1 respectively. So x is 13 and the second number is 14. 13 plus 1 is 14. Okay. So the required two positive integers are 13 and 14 respectively. Hope you have understood this. Let us see question number 5. Okay, in this exercise there is one more sum, question number 6. I am not going to solve that 6. We have seen in question number 2 there are two sums. Okay, one is based on cos. Question number 6 is you tried. I will not say exactly the same, but you tried. So this will be our last question of exercise 4.2. Okay, let us see the altitude means perpendicular of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So altitude is compared with the base, but we don't know the base. So let the base. I have drawn here a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90, BC is base and AB is altitude and AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so I have considered let the base be x, then the altitude is 7 centimeter less than the base. 7 centimeter kam karna hai. So x minus 7. Okay, and if the hypotenuse is 13, find the other two sides. Okay, other two sides means you have to find here AB and BC. Okay, let us see. Let the base BC is equal to x centimeter. Therefore, altitude AB is equal to x minus 7 centimeter from the data. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, it is right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. We get what we get? X, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Sum of the other two sides and its square is equal to square of the hypotenuse. Studied in lower classes. Let us see now. So therefore, AB is x minus 7 whole square. BC is x, so x square, and AC is 13, so 13 square. So x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square is equal to 169 square of 13. So x square plus x square minus 14x plus 49. Take 169 this side. So minus 169 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 49 minus, okay, plus 49 and minus 169. So it is 120. Okay, so divide it by 2. Each term is divisible by 2. So this will become x square minus 7x minus 16. Okay, sorry, this way. So find two numbers whose product is minus 60 and whose sum is minus 7. Okay, so 12 5 is 60. So minus 12 into plus 5 is minus 60, minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. So you can, so it is orally also you can do. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60. So x square minus 12x 5x minus 60. So x minus 12. So therefore, x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5. It is invalid because length, that is base, it is a base. So the base, that is we are measuring the length of the side BC. So length can never be negative. So x is equal to minus 5 is invalid. So now, so what is BC? Base. BC is 12 centimeter. And what is AB? AB is 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeter. So answer required. Other two sides are 12 comma 5, or you can write 5 comma 12. Okay. Hope you have understood this sum.